So the area of the shade will be the area of the entire circle minus the 3 petals. Well, the circle's radius is 2. So can we just find the area of 1 petal? We'll multiply it by 3 because they're all the same. Well, how are we going to do that? We're going to use the formula 1/2 times radius squared d theta. And the radius is 2 cosine of 3 theta. So 1/2 radius squared d theta. This is a calculator part, so nice and easy, but we need to figure out what our limits of integration are for 1 petal. So let's consider a petal, and the R value is 0 at the pole. So when is the R value 0, and then it's not 0, and then it becomes 0 again? Between any 2 successive R values of 0, we will map out 1 petal. So the R has to be 0. This is R, it's 0. So when is the cosine ratio 0? When the angle is 1 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, 7 pi over 2, etc. So that angle could be pi over 2, or 3 pi over 2, or 5 pi over 2, which means theta, if we multiply both sides by a third, must be pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, etc. So if theta was pi over 6, we'd be at the pole. And if we went all the way to pi over 2, we'd be at the pole again, because R is 0 then. So we can just evaluate from pi over 6 to pi over 2, and we'll definitely be from the pole to the pole, which will be mapping out a single petal. Using our calculator, we get the right answer. Choice D.